Okay, now what are you doing? Are you painting it now?
I'm painting it with this type of paint.
What's a magic tractor
And
truck and
truck.
implement interior
oil-based
enamel.
elements.
Yep. Basically, that's the right thing to paint, right?
This is actually an oil-based paint that actually protects a lot of your body,
Oil-based
frame, and all that stuff.
Okay, the oil base is better
because it actually it deals with a lot more harsh environments, like the salt that you get on the road.
So we're gonna look close so they can see the paint. So you're gonna paint it all black?
The frame's all black.
Or the frame all black? Okay.
And the rear end's gonna be black.
Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.